3860 Cinnamon Crest. I'm just going to go item by item. So we had a little list from the other day of items that we noticed. The first item, ceiling light in the living area does not work. As you can see, it does now. Window blinds are now up. Okay, center light in master bathroom. It's working and it appears to be in the center. So, seems fine to me. And then the counter, the side of the counter in the master bath, just here. Chips in guest bath and kitchen sink. Kitchen counter grout cleaned. Looks clean to me. Okay, now I'm going to go through the quote from the beginning. Paint. Paint is done. Ceramic flooring is done. Carpet is done. Power washing is done. The once over to replace pigtail bulbs. I don't see missing knobs. Remove window treatments in master bath. Window treatments. And the window treatments in master bath have been removed. As you can see, it's centered. Smoke detector. Replace missing door stops. Door stop, door stop. Door stops. Door stop. Remove water softener, cap loop. Rekey 2 doors. Electrical overhead. Kitchen faucet. I'm sure you saw the refrigerator was in the garage, and we don't have this appliance yet. We're just installing new coach light in backyard. Over here. Purchase and install new faucet. Access panel has been fixed. Light kit. General repairs. Just first bedroom sliding doors. And then adjust the laundry room door. Yeah, this door looks good. Replace stovetop or correct scratches with appliance paint. Remove the satellite dish and TV mount. Security system. Kitchen sinks look good. Clean AC vent looks good. Janitorial's done. Okay.